In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create ActiveCampaign email automation. We'll walk through a simple, foundational automation together, so by the end, you'll know exactly how to set things up and turn it on. Even if you're new to ActiveCampaign, just follow along step by step. First, log into your ActiveCampaign account and look over to the left-hand sidebar. There, you'll see a menu item labeled Automations. Go ahead and click that. This is where all of your current and future automations will live, so it's a good area to get familiar with. Once you're on the Automations page, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click on Create an Automation. ActiveCampaign will now offer you a few different ways to get started, including templates. For this walkthrough, we're going to keep it clean and flexible, so choose the option that says Start from Scratch, then click Continue. Starting from scratch gives you full control over how your automation behaves. Next, you'll be asked to choose a trigger. The trigger is what tells ActiveCampaign when to begin this automation for a contact. A very common choice is subscribes to a list. This works well if you want the automation to start whenever someone joins your main newsletter or a specific lead magnet list. Select your preferred trigger, confirm any settings it asks for, and then click Add Start. You'll now be taken to the automation canvas, which is the visual editor where you build each step. On the canvas, you'll see a small plus symbol, or plus icon, under the starting trigger. Click that plus icon. A menu will appear with different types of actions. Choose Sending Options, and from that section, select Send an Email. This tells ActiveCampaign that when somebody hits this step in the automation, they should receive an email from you. You'll now be prompted to create an email. Give your email a clear internal name so you can recognize it later, then follow the on-screen prompts to design it. You can pick a template, customize the layout, add your copy, images, and links, and then save it when you're done. Take a moment to preview and test it so you're confident everything looks and works the way you want. Once your email is created and sitting inside the automation, you're almost finished. Look to the top right corner of the automation builder for the status toggle. Switch it from inactive to active. This turns your automation on. So whenever a contact meets the trigger condition you chose, they'll automatically receive the email you just created.